This is Ghost Watches. I'm Casper, and today we're doing a 1-minute unboxing and test of a brand new watch. And here we go. It is the Spinnaker Hull. Man, this is a good looking watch. Many thanks to Pete over at Chillin' with Watches. He lent this in as a part of the Random Rob Patreon group. Let's get it on the Timegrapher. We've got a -3 seconds per day, really healthy timing going on this watch. Face down, we're getting, it's pegged at 0 seconds a day. You can't ask for anything better than that. Really like to see a variance of less than 15 to 20 seconds a day, flipping it from face up to face down. So the crown is pointing this way, that's crown left. That's how it sits on your wrist when you have it like this. And we're seeing a -1 seconds per day. Can't wait to do a review on this. Stay tuned.